Hey guys. Anya, have you started working on the UOC review, ma? Manya?
Yeah.
Oh, you've started working.
Yeah, I have.
That's good. Okay, but you're just going to have semester exams, right? Not any star exam, right?
Um, they haven't given us information, but I know we have semester exam.
You don't have a star exam, I tell you.
Okay.
Okay, I really want to complete circle equations today, quick, and then move on to what's coming up next for Manya? Is it 3D geometry?
I can look.
Yeah. Just please give me a screenshot. Sorry. Meaning I'll have to go to my mobile and check. Okay. My laptop WhatsApp does not give me the old messages. Akash, did you go over probability, Akash?
Yeah, I already knew it. I did it, and I got all the questions correct.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Oh, yes. Do you
is
know
is the
uh,
EOC review in the uh classroom for everyone?
why don't you do that way? You'll know where you stand with geometry, right?
Oh, I was just asking. I was
Yeah.
curious.
It's good for you to. You know why? See, next year you are in 8, right, Manav?
Yeah.
Ninth, you'll write PSAT. Okay, Frisco SD gives PSAT 10. It's so useful for you to know where you are in geometry. If you don't know or don't remember a particular topic, it's good to go revise or bring it to class. I'll revise.
Okay.
You got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good for you. Meaning to have all the concepts in your toes, it's very good. Okay, Akash, did you go over permutations, combinations, Akash?
What is perm? Is that like where you multiply if even if you remove one and then you multiply it?
No, that is dependent even probability. Permutation combination is a very important part, Akash.
Was it on the test that you gave?
Honestly, I don't remember what part of probability question I gave in the test. But it is in the Ron Larson book that I shared.
Yeah, I went over it.
Okay, you went over it?
Yeah,
That is the third or the fourth subpart. Did you go through 2P2, 2C1?
no.
Akash, really? Okay, I'll show you. 1 second, guys. I really want to go over it. It's important, Akash. 1 second. I'm going to show you. Mm, you know what? I don't know. HSTX. Okay, wait. Okay, this is 12 at 13. I don't remember. This is 12, but I want 13, right? Yeah, it's here. Okay, let me quickly share screen. I really want him to know this one. Who else is preparing? Samantha, you as well. Anyway, I will cover this, but it may take a while, right? So that's why I wanted to share with you guys. Here, Akash, do you see here?
Yeah,
This one.
13.5. Yeah. Oh yeah. I already know all this.
What
Yeah.
you are talking is this one. 13.2 is what you're telling. 13.5 you should know.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
There was this in the test.
Oh, there was this, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is included. Permutation combination is an important piece, and you will get a lot of questions in Frisco ISD on that CB exam.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, good.
Miss
Okay.
Priya, I
Yeah,
sent the syllabus.
thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay, thanks. It's good for a quick review. Thanks. Okay, so they're starting with area of a sector. A arc length and area of a sector, it's easy, guys. You will all get it. Okay, solve for surface area of 3D figures, volume. Cross sections is what I have not covered. See, geometric Euclidean probabilities, linear dimension. Oh, these are important. Okay, we'll do one thing. I really want to quickly go through the circle equations if you all don't mind. Okay, I know I left it off and I feel very guilty about leaving it off. Okay, so let me go back, finish that circle equations because it's quite important. Geometry, circles. Yep. Oh, wow. Okay, Samantha, for you, right? Samantha, when is the exam, ma?
I put it at the end of July.
Oh, that's good, Samantha. For you, I'll cover everything. I don't have to work with you separately at all. But there are a couple of kids in this group that are trying to take it immediately, and that puts me into a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
But why don't you try it twice?
I didn't know the July was like the last thing
Correct,
with
ma,
the
correct.
dates.
But you can try it twice, right? Did you not register for doing it twice?
No, I registered for doing it once. Should I do it twice then?
Yeah, you can. You should register for 2 times.
Okay, I'll do that then.
You got it? Okay.
Mhm.
Now, how many of you remember completing squares? Let me show you. Let me show you what is completing squares. X square plus 14x minus 61. X square plus 14x minus 61. If I want to complete squares, this one, let me say, is equal to 0 if I give you. Basically, I want you to see this is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in standard form, correct? I want you to express it in vertex form. What is this vertex form? Vertex form means, see, this one is ax square plus bx plus c is your standard form of a quadratic equation, right? But vertex form is x minus h the whole square. A times x minus h the whole square plus k equal to 0. Here h comma k is the vertex. So you're going to complete squares. This is from algebra 1. Okay, I'm just reviewing from algebra 1. Now, you have to consider these two, first two terms, x square and the x term. Then what you need to do is b by 2a. What is b by 2a? 14 divided by 2 times 1. 1 is here, right? So that is 7, right? This is 7. But the square of this you're going to add and subtract. X square plus 14x plus 49 minus 49. It's like adding a 0. The square of this you're going to add and subtract and then rewrite this minus 61 equal to 0. Now regroup. Regroup means group these three together. This is basically a square term. X square plus 14x plus 49 becomes x plus 7. A plus b the whole square equal to a 2ab plus b square. Correct? So this would be 110 equal to 0. Now do you see I'm able to express it in vertex form? Any questions here? I'm able to express this in vertex form. Did you get it? So here, this is what is also called as completing squares. You are making square terms. This is called as completing squares. Right? Now, x minus 7, the whole square equal to 110. This is the way you complete squares and express a quadratic equation in standard form to a vertex form. Any questions? Why did I add plus 49 and minus 49? This is from algebra 1 I am discussing. Why did I add plus 49 minus 49? I am finding b by 2a from this equation. That is 7. 7. The square of that I am adding and subtracting, and then I am putting this into a square term. Any questions? Any questions there? Okay, how about this? We are just going to review this and then we'll get to the circle equations. Okay, I'll tell you why we are going there, why we are doing this. How about this? X square minus 12x equal to 39. X square minus 12x equal to 39. Come on, guys, quick. Express it as square term. I strictly want half of the class for this one. Mhm. You finish? Guys, if you're stuck, let me know, guys. That seems right, Manav. Length and area of a sector. Describe radian as a ratio of the length and arc. Oh, good, Manu. Confused, yeah. See here, guys, what I'm saying is take these two, okay? Now, x square minus 12x minus 39 equal to 0, correct? Take these two. B by 2a, what is b by 2a? 12 divided by 2. Here it is 1, right? A is 1. So 12 divided by 2a is 12 divided by 2, which is 6. This square I'm going to add and subtract. It's like adding a 0. X square minus 12x plus 36 minus 36 I did. And then copy this minus 39 from up equal to 0. Now regroup this and make this into a square term. This is x minus 6 the whole square will be equal to what? 75. Navneet, are you clear?
Yeah.
Shrikar, Aditi, Samantha, are we clear?
Yeah, I was about to send it.
Oh, no. See, if you understand, I'm happy. No problem.
Yeah.
Wait, Miss Priya, what are we doing? I like just joined.
I saw, Ma. I permit you to come in, right? So I did see that. We are working on completing squares from Algebra 1. We are going to work on circle equations.
Okay, thank you.
But this is quite important to understand. First, you need to group the x square term and the x term. Then you have to find b by 2a, square it, add and subtract. Then when you regroup, you will get a square term here. Akash, did you get it, Akash?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go ahead and try. Let's go ahead and try circle equations, right? Yes, let's finish this. This is not the one I want. Oh, wow. What am I doing? Yeah, so let's do equations of circles. So basically, let me show you. How about this one? Suppose I have a circle like this. Okay, this is a coordinate plane. This is 0, 0. Okay, now let's draw a right triangle. Okay, let's draw a right triangle here. Let's draw a right triangle here. Meaning wherever you draw the right triangle, right? Consider this is x distance. This is y distance. Okay, this point is, this is the radius. Okay, so do you see all the points, right? This point, again, this will be x, this will be y, this will be radius. So these are all Pythagorean theorems. So I can clearly say, hey, r square equal to x square plus y square. For a circle with the center as the origin, right? The equation can be given as x square plus y square equal to r square. Any questions? See all the points on the circle. Take any point on the circle, it's given by this equation. So any point on the circle will obey this Pythagorean theorem. X square plus y square equal to r square. So the equation of a circle with center origin is given by x square plus y square equal to r square. Any questions there? So now let me ask you this. How do you write the equation of a circle? Equation of a circle with center as the origin, radius is 5. How do you write the equation of the circle? Quick shout out, guys. General equation of the circle with origin as the center is this. So what is the equation of this circle? X square plus y square will be equal to?
25.
Yeah.
Oh, just 25, my bad.
Yep, that's it. So that's easy, okay? Now, the thing about here is, if you have the center as x comma h comma k, let's say the circle is somewhere here. This is h, okay? This is k, okay? So the center of the circle is h comma k. What is this? So basically, how do you form the right angle triangle, right? Any point on the circle I have to consider. Let me consider this point on the circle. Okay. Here, this, what is the Pythagorean theorem? Let me draw the Pythagorean theorem for this one. This is the point on the circle. Okay. This is my Pythagorean theorem. Okay. This is x, this is y. But when you think about it, x means the whole thing is x, right? I'll have to subtract. For my Pythagorean theorem is only for this one. So the base, how do I write the Pythagorean theorem? Instead of writing x square, I'll write x minus h the whole square. Then how do I write this? If this point, meaning the point on the, so this is r, the radius is this one, correct? Now, this is our point on the circle, okay? This is x, we already notated. This is y, right? Meaning, if this distance is y, this entire distance is y, how to find out y minus k the whole square? Y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So, for a circle with center h comma k, how do I write the equation? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Am I making sense? Am I making sense? Manav, am I making sense?
Yeah.
This is the point on circle. Okay. So what is that point? Let's find out. So basically, h comma k, center of the circle is h comma k. So this is h, this is k. Right? Now, Pythagorean theorem, where does it hold good? Now, what I'm saying is this is x. This one is x. Okay. This one is y. If you have it, I want to write Pythagorean theorem for this leg and this leg. Okay. Now, the entire thing is x. This is h. So, to identify this distance, right, I write it as x minus h. To identify this distance only, I write y minus k. Now, when I apply Pythagorean theorem, it becomes x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Got it? Akash, are you following?
Yeah.
Aditi, are you following?
Yes.
Good. Okay. How about this, guys? I have the center minus 2 comma 1. You can be quick with this. Okay. I have the center minus 2 comma 1. My radius is 2. What is the equation of the circle? Radius is 2. Find out the equation of the circle.
Wait, Priya, what do you cut out?
No, I want the equation of the circle. That's all. Find the
Oh.
equation of the circle. Yep. Akash, that's correct. Manav, that's correct. So here, our general equation is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square, right? Radius square is 4. X minus h is what? X minus of minus 2, the whole square, plus y minus 1, the whole square. So this gets written down as x plus 2, the whole square, plus y minus 1, the whole square, equal to 4. Any questions, guys? Any questions? I'm going to move on. Aditi, I'm not getting answers from you. I don't know whether you're doing as well. Okay.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and ask you. How about this? This is not a hard question, but we are getting into tricky questions now. A circle with center and a radius with end point as 0, 6. I want answers from you.
We're still finding the equation of the circle, right?
Yep. We are still finding the equation of the circle. Oh, wow. Good try, guys. I really like the try, but not everybody got it right. Let's see.
Correct.
Yeah, Manya, Akash, you got it. And Navneet, you got it. Okay, plus almost 6. Manav, you got it. Manya, not really Manya. Oh, Manya, you got it. I'm sorry. Manya, I was seeing your previous answer. I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry, that was for the last one.
Yeah, ma. Sorry, ma. Aditi, correct, ma. X plus 3, the whole square, plus y minus 6, the whole square. Aditi, the right side is 9. See, the radius is what? From the center to the...
Oh, okay, my bad.
You got it?
Yeah, wait.
Okay, how about this? Okay, this is a tricky question. Let's see. A tricky question, guys. Okay, I want you to try though. Okay, if you understand the, do it in a coordinate plane and see a circle with diameter equal to 12 and a center translated 18 units left and 7 units down from the origin. A circle with diameter equal to, but you have to do the homework, guys. Homework is quite good.
Mine's correct.
Checking your answer. What's the problem? Mano correct, Navneet correct, Aditi correct. Guys, good job, guys. Aditi correct, Navneet correct, Mano correct, Shrikar correct. Oh, Shrikar, it is y minus 7 or y plus 7?
I put plus, didn't I?
No, you put a minus. Akash correct.
Oh, my bad. Hold on.
No problem. See, as long as you understand, I'm least bothered. Manya correct. Guys, if you're keeping quiet, it's very hard. I want you to follow through with me. Okay, the last one. Rest of it you're going to do as homework, guys. The challenging problems, okay? And one more question I have on, meaning one more topic on circle equations is also there. A circle with center in quadrant 1, radius of 5 units, and tangents x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Are you able to do? Guys, if you're stuck, you let me know. I'll do. Draw it in the coordinate plane, you'll get it. A circle with a center in quadrant 1, radius of 5 units and tangents at x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So what will be the radius? A radius is there, 5 units. But how will you find out the center? Manav, that's nice. Yes, Manav. One of the k value is incorrect. Shrikar, that's correct. Please draw it in the coordinate plane. Draw it in the coordinate plane, you'll get it. I told you this is a difficult question. But draw it in the coordinate plane, your answer will be correct. Manav, your k value is incorrect. So now there is a circle with center in quadrant 1. Okay, so it has to be here. Radius of 5 units, tangents at x equal to 2. X equal to 2, y equal to 3 is a tangent. So tangents at y equal to 3, x equal to 2, right? In this case, circle with the center in quadrant 1. These two are tangents to the circle.
Is my answer correct?
X minus 7 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square equal to 25. Correct. So how do you draw this circle? These are the tangents, means then I'll go ahead. I have to draw the circle like this, right? Right? So basically, what is this point? This point. Now you know the radius is 5. So basically, this is 3 plus 5. So what is the The radius is 5 units. So this is 3 means 3 plus 5. Y value is 8. X value, this is 2. 2 plus 5. What is that? 7. 7 comma 8. So x minus 7 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square equal to 25. Manya, did you get it, Manya?
Yeah.
How about
Answer.
Aditi? You're not answering. Oh, you answered, Ma. Okay, I did see. Thank you. Can I move on? Okay, now I really want you to be able to do completion of squares. Rest of it you do at home, guys, okay? The one that I have not dealt with is the completion of squares. 1 second. That is also part of circle equations. Okay, now I'm going to give the circle equation in standard form. You're going to convert it to, you're going to find out the radius and the center of the circle. You're going to find the radius and center of the circle. So here, this is the equation of a circle in standard form. This is the equation of the circle in standard form. Here, x square plus y square minus 16y minus 36 equal to 0. But I want it to be, I want to find out the radius and the center, right? So what form I would prefer it? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the, what is going on? I'm not able to write. Oh, that's getting cut off for you, I think. Okay. Let me write it here. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So for that, please group x square separately. You have to group. This two you have to group. You have to make it into a square term. This is why we introduced that at the start of the class. This is x squared, but when you group this, what would happen? Y square minus 16y is there, but then b by 2a is what? B by 2a is 8. So I will plus 64 minus 64, and then I'll copy this minus 36 equal to 0. Now, when I group right this one, I'm going to put it out as y, what is this? 8, right? Y minus 8 the whole square. These two I can combine. Minus 100 equal to 0. That becomes x square plus y minus 8 the whole square equal to 100. This is of the format x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. R will be equal to 10. H comma k, which is the center of the circle, is equal to what? 0 comma 8. Any questions? 0 comma 8, not minus 8, right? Manav.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Okay, no problem at all. As long as you understand, it's fine. Can I move on? Akash, Aditi, did you get it? Shrikar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One more question about this, and then we are going to move on. Okay, you can try on the homework. Okay, so how about this? We'll do it quickly, one more, and then we'll move. How about this? I'll give you a simple one, but you have to know how to find it out. That's it. How about this? This is the standard form of a circle equation. You would want to find out the radius and the center. So you need to group the x's. Group the x's. X square plus 8x plus y square minus 20 you can group. Now this is a square term already, but this one you need to make it into a square term by adding and subtracting b by 2a the whole square. When you add b by 2a the whole square, I would like each of you to try this one, please. Okay, in the meantime, I can be ready with the arc. Okay, let me be ready with that one. What is that? Yeah, Manav, I think that's right. I'm waiting, guys, but if you are stuck, let me know, guys. Completing squares is from algebra 1, but that's okay for now us to review that now if you don't understand. Should I help Akash, Aditi?
I'm gonna try it first.
Yeah. Thank you, Ma, for letting me know. You have to let me know. Manya, are you able to do?
Yeah, I'm sending my answer.
Sure. Okay, now I want to go to then. What is that? Yeah, see, circles part 1. We already did this, but I want to review this once and move on. Let's see. Solve for arc length and area of sector. Yeah. The ratio of length of arc intercept. Okay. Manya. Aditi, so what is the center, Ma? That's correct. What is the center and radius, Aditi?
Would the center be 0, -4?
Correct. And the radius?
The radius would be 6.
Yes. Did you get it?
Wait, I think the center would be -40, because the x comes first.
Yeah, Ma.
Is it +4 or -4?
It's a -4 because it's x plus 4 the whole square, right? Aditi, it is
I
-4
know, I wrote it out as x plus 4 in my answer, but I
No
missed it.
worries at all. Shrikar,
I
did you
see it
get
wrong.
it? What will you add and subtract, guys, here? B by 2a. B is this, 2a. 2 times a is 2. So this is 16 minus 16 plus y square minus 20 equal to 0. So this should be x plus 4 the whole square, right? X plus 4 the whole square, then plus y square equal to 36. So this is x minus of minus 4. Samantha, are you getting it?
Yeah, I am.
So
I got the answer, so
oh, you
I
got
just
the
didn't
answer.
send
Okay.
it.
So radius is 6. Can I move on? Akash, did you get it, Akash?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Shrikar, how about you?
You got it.
Okay, good. Okay, now let me go ahead and quickly review this topic. I don't know whether you remember this, guys. I feel like I covered it. I honestly don't know if you remember it. Okay, I'm going to give a problem. You're going to try it out. If you don't remember, then I'll do it on the board. I feel like I have done it. This is on circles only. So to just know whether I have done it or not. In circle R, circle with center R, measure of ARB, which is the arc of the circle, will be 8 and AC is the diameter. Find the length of the diameter. I'm sorry, find the length of AB, the arc. Arc length is what is required. RB is the radius, it's already given. So I just need to find AB. Anybody, any thoughts you can shout out as well. You don't need to sit and break your head. You can shout out with your thoughts as to how to solve this problem. Go ahead. Done, guys? I'm checking Akash. 1 minute. Oh, wow. Good job, Akash. That gives me great strength, Akash, for the CV, honestly. It helps me. I am convinced. Shrikar, when are you taking the test?
I don't think our school has sent out the dates yet. I think they're sending out either this week or next week.
Oh, this week. But then are you doing probability,
Yeah,
permutation, combinations?
we're doing that like right now. Yeah.
You're doing it at home?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Not like-
Because I told your mom. Okay, good. Make sure you finish it and go because see, you're also in Frisco, right? They ask a lot of problems in permutation combinations. Manav, Navneet, you're so quiet today.
Miss Priya, what should we round to?
Single, the 10th place.
Okay.
Miss Priya, could you explain this?
Yeah, 100%. No, have we done this before? What do you all think?
This is pretty easy.
Illama, that's true, but have we done similar problems? See, I feel like I've given you homework and all, okay? I've noted that down, but I didn't know whether you'll be able to solve. Some of you are solving, some of you are not. Aditi, that is incorrect. Okay, I'll do it on the board, ma. See, when they ask you for the arc length, right? Arc length is a part of the circumference of the circle, you see? So, arc length is making this central angle. Do you see? This arc, the black color arc is making this central angle, right? Similarly, the circle, right, has this entire angle. You see, so I can create a proportion here. What is the proportion? Length of arc. I have written the same problem formula on the board a few months back. Length of the arc divided by the circumference. Both are length, right? Length of the arc is a part of the circumference. So part by whole will be equal to the angle. What is the angle part? The arc is making a central angle of 135. But for the entire angle, it's 360. Part by whole, part by whole. Manya, am I making things clear?
Yeah.
So length of the arc is given as what? Oh, that's what we don't know. I'm sorry. And the circumference is 2 pi r, right? 18 times pi will be equal to 135 by 360. Can I do this? 3 2s, 5 2s are 10, 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35, 2s are 10, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So 9 by 24, 9 or 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. That gives you L is equal to 27 by 27 pi by 4. Any questions, guys? It comes to 18.8. Any questions?
Wait, I thought the radius was 8. So, oh yeah, I thought, wouldn't it be 16 pi?
Would
Instead?
it be?
16 pi? Because it's 2 pi r.
Wait, did I make a mistake?
Yeah, you put 18 pi.
18 pi. Wait. 2 pi r is correct, ma. 2 pi r. 8. Oh, I'm sorry. 16 pi. Thank you. So 16 means, oh my God, it'll be a little different, but the final answer will be the same. So here will be 16 pi means 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24, and then 9 4s are 36 pi by 6. Oh, 36. 9 4s are 36 pi by 6. So it is 6 pi. Thanks, Manav. I really appreciate it. Can I move on?
It's the same answer, right?
18.8, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try one more. How about this? Oh my God. Okay, how about this? Don't have it proper. Okay, let's try this one. You're going to try it out with me. I think we solved the same problem as well. Let's see. Yeah, we solved the same problem. Okay, how about this? 120 by 360 12 pi. 120 by 360 12 pi. Let me see. 120 by 360 12 pi. 120 by 360 times 12 pi. Number E is what? Let me see. 120 by 360 6 pi. 120 by 360 6 pi. Come on, guys. Which is the answer? 6 pi. You want to try?
Miss Priya, I saw my answer.
That seems right. Samantha, is that right? Akash, can you give me whatever is in the... Akash, you have to give me the options, right, Akash? For the...
The equation. Oh,
Yeah,
you wanted the arc.
yeah. I just want the options, ma. Yeah,
Mhm.
Manav, that's right.
I sent it.
Yeah, Akash, that's right. Samantha, is that right, ma? How are you doing? I'm not sincerely getting. Can we check?
Isn't it like diameter times 2? That for 24 pi?
Diameter. See, ln is the arc, right?
Yeah.
So that makes an angle of what?
120.
So
It's like
it's 180 is divided equally by, oh, this is
120.
correct. So
Yeah.
120 by 360 will be equal to what?
2/3.
Length of the arc divided by circumference. Circumference is pi d, 12 pi. Now length of the arc is 12 pi times 120 by 360, right?
Mm-hmm.
So answer is D.
Oh, I did that right. Okay.
Aditi got it. Aditi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, how about Shrikar, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it last second.
Okay, good. Okay, let's try. Um. Okay. How about? This is a good one. Find the circumference. Okay, this is a little bit different. How about this? You can use calculators. Please use calculators. Get it quickly.
What do we round to?
Yes, what is that?
What do we round to?
Oh, round to the nearest tenth.
Wait, Miss Priya, we ran to the nearest 10th, right?
Yeah. Anything is okay. Okay, I'm not bothered about your computation skills. Just want to know whether you know the concept. Yeah, everybody got it right. Manya, can I get it from you? Ad- Mhm. Yep. Can we move on? Let's try. Okay. Okay. So this is good. Angles and arcs. Okay. Manya, did you get it? Yeah. Yeah, ma, but I'm getting 40.8, ma, not 9, which is still okay, Manya.
Oh, I can check.
No worries, Manya. I think we should be good. One more. This as well we have completed, but I just want to revise this. Okay. I feel like let's see this one. Okay. Same thing you need to use though. Okay. Okay. How about this? Same thing you need to use, but this will be in radians. Okay. This is in radians. You need to be careful here. This is in radians. This is in radians. So for the full circle, what is the angle? For the full circle, what will be the angle? This is in radians. You can send the answer to me, but this is in radians. See, the angle intercepted by the arc, the central angle is in radians. So for the entire circle, you'll have to write it as 2 pi, not 360. That's the only change.
Wait, to convert from radian to degree, you'd multiply the denominator by 2 pi?
See, the conversion factor is pi radians is 180 degrees. You can use that to convert. Pi radians is 180 degrees. Make sense?
Yeah.
Wait, do we have to find the arc?
You have to find the arc length. Correct.
Okay, okay.
Find the indicated arc length. Yeah. JK. Let me know if you find it difficult. Then I'll do.
Wait, circumference or area of the sector?
I just need the arc length, JK.
Oh.
So I think you guys are good with this, right? Yeah, the next week we'll get into 3D surfaces. 3D and probability are the only two topics pending. That seems correct, but Manav answer is a little off, but that's okay. I feel like maybe you rounded it wrongly or something of that sort, which is still okay for me.
Wait,
43.5.
was I supposed to round it to the?
No, even if you round it, Manav, it can't be 40. It's oh
Because I
guys.
found the angle and then
Yeah, wait. Some of you have different answers, guys. I just noticed. Hold on. 43.5 should be the answer, okay?
yeah, that's what I put.
Oh,
I
then I'm
put
looking
that.
at the previous. I'm sorry, Manav.
Oh, it's okay.
Correct. Manya, correct. Yes. 43.5. You got it, then fine. We'll log off. Next week, we'll start with 3D. 3D and probability are the major topics pending. Okay, and those of you who are taking CBE, please, you can feel free to ping if you have any problems for me to solve and share. Okay. Any questions, guys? If we don't have any questions, see you all next week. All the very best if you're taking the CBE exam this week.
Bye.
Bye.
Auntie?
Samantha, I want you to register 2 times, Amma.
Yeah, I will. But also, is there a new Google Classroom or something? Because
There is some, I don't know, you keep on asking that, right?
because I didn't see the homework posted for.
Something is seriously wrong then. What is the Google Classroom you have?
Hold on. I'll sign in really quick and then.
Yeah. How come? Geometry summer, right? Oh my.
Yeah, that's what. There's Geometry Summer and then there's Geometry 2024 to 2025.
That's the deal. That's the problem. You have both, right?
Yeah, I do.
See, geometry 24-25, I should have posted, but I didn't, right? 2D solids full. Circles, are we done? Wait. Circles, see. Part 11 and 12. Yeah, geometry 2024-25 is the one ma.
Yeah.
Got it,
Yeah.
huh?
There was one on March 14th, but then I didn't get anything past that. Is that the last one you posted on March 14th?
I did benchmarks 2, 3, 4, right, ma? See. Okay, honestly, I have posted it incorrectly, but I'm glad, meaning I just now posted, okay?
Yeah.
Equations, part 11 and 12 you need to complete.
Yeah.
So now I posted one more. This is on circle equations.
Yeah, I see it.
You got it?
Yeah.
I'm glad you quickly told me right away now.
Yeah.
Because I had posted it in a different class. Okay, circle equations, and then see, it's really getting me confused, I feel. Okay, it was my bad. Okay,
Okay.
more circle equations. Completing squares will also come as a homework because completing squares we did it today, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that will also be a homework. You should be able to see that quick.
Yeah.
Now, let's see. Oh my God, more circle equations. This is geometry, right? Yeah. See, more circle equations. That is again on circle equations. You should be able to see now.
Mm-hmm.
And then what is left out? We did arcs and circles, right?
Yeah.
That one. See, arcs and circles, I really want you guys to see that one. I already gave you. I'm a little hesitant to give you again, but many of you do not know. Part 2. So basically, part 2 and part 3. Part 2 and part 3 was what was difficult for some of you. Part 2 and part 3. So you should be able to see all the 3 now.
Yeah, I see.
Part 2, and part 3, circles. Radians, arc lengths. Okay, you should be able to see that now, Ma.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, yeah, you're good, right?
Yeah, I'm good now. I see.
Oh, okay, good. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay,
Bye bye.
bye.